believe it, he is back at the Bathurst Mining Camp again. Gary Lohman, VP of Exploration at 9 Mile Metals, joins us once more. Welcome back, Gary, after a very brief break. We have more news out of your multiple projects there. Let's start with what the latest release tells us about the last 2 holes.
The latest release is a summary of the past drill program. We drilled 5 holes targeting mineralization and 2 were collared to do borehole EM. We were focused on the southwest and western portion of the Wedge. And the last program, the results were, we believe, quite successful, hitting copper-bearing VMS in all of our holes. We've intersected a new copper-rich lens. And unfortunately, that was hole 2B. And in the press release, we did have massive chalcopyrite, semi-massive calco. And at that point, it was in ground and broken core. We lost water. We had to terminate the hole. We were in mineralization, so we're going to be attacking that zone from a different angle and away from the adjacent fault. So we're quite happy with discovering that. And we've also found significant gold and silver mineralization in our latest drilling.
And Gary, the headline of the announcement has to be the announcement of new drill program across multiple prospects at a couple of projects, looking at 10,000 meters, hopefully. Is that right?
That's correct. We're going to be following up at the Wedge and along strike, if everyone remembers. We also have the West Wedge and Tribag targets. Those we've had time domain EM on those targets. It's been plate modeled. We know there's previous drilling with some results and there's surface mineralization. So we're looking forward to getting at that. And we're also going to be looking at drilling at California Lake East. So it's going to be a full year.
So you are the geologist. You're the guy on the ground kicking the rocks. Gary, can you tell us what you're the most excited for? And maybe what's been the most surprising of these results in summary?
Well, the copper mineralization at the Wedge, finding that new copper-rich zone and hitting mineralization in all the holes. As I mentioned, we're going to be doing borehole EM, and that should help us, vector in on the main mineralization. And this is everyone remembers, this is in the western part of the old mine site, and we believe there's large areas there that have been untouched. So we're quite anxious to get back on the ground and get back to work. There's been a little bit of delay just because of weather, it's snow still melting, water's running. So roads have been closed to heavy traffic, but end of month, end of May, sort of first week of June, we'll be back on the ground.
And we look forward to lots of updates. I know that 9 Mile, you're very diligent about keeping us abreast of everything as it happens. And I know that you are there personally looking at everything that comes out of the ground. So I will be expecting to see your face soon. And we've got all our fingers crossed for great news.
Good to talk to you.